भेजा कि PH259 A77 बनता है ये 77 A77 चलो मैं करता हूँ Stop.
Any issues?
Bottom speaker and rear camera. Everything else looks fine.
Back camera?
It's lens and camera.
उसका बात की उसको मैंने बात की बताया
From America? This is an ink temple. Just make it.
वो मैंने उसको बात की उसके पास एलसीडी पड़ी है लगा के चेक कर उसका मैंने फोन मांगा है रोड से है थोड़ा अभी नहीं रहा जो बोला वो कह रहा है कि इंडिया वाले इसको एक बंदे को बुलाते हैं ये पूरे का पूरा खानदान लेके पहुंच जाते हैं
Screen check. How much? And call the customers the price. Happy. And then we know. No, available or you need to order. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Okay, how are you?
brother?
How are you?
You be technician now.
Alhamdulillah.
Huh?
Bro.
You go high class now. Huh? Customer service getting good.
रिप्लेसमेंट अपने आप
Huh? Yeah. Really, he's younger. You can be clever and then Riyadh is really so. You clever. This guy is clever. I like him for software is number one. How are you?
I'm good.
Everything okay?
What about you?
Yeah, we need to order.
Okay.
It costs you 60 pounds.
60 too much brother. For kids?
Yes, sir.
No, give me good price. I cost
This is
customer.
iPhone.
Huh?
This is good one. It's the latest iPad. Not
Show me
old
the
one.
price here. I want to see this. Your price.
Don't want to
No,
see
show me
also.
your price. Show me your price. No your price for customer. Price for shopkeeper.
Yeah, this is quite for
Because when I give good price for customer, and then customers come in again and again. When I put high, one time they check other shops, if they say fuck up and wrong me, they don't really talk to you.
this is our cost price. How much? 45.
That's all.
Yeah,
Customers.
that's not for customer. This is cost price for us.
Okay.
This is for customer minimum price 20 pounds. We are selling 90 pounds. Discount to the customer. If you discount, maybe 10 pound discount, maybe 15 pound discount, and 75 minimum 75. 45 over cost price.
Okay, is what you say? 55, and then I say customer 70.
That's not correct. 890. That's it. Yes, 90. The customer is paying us 90 pounds.
I guarantee it is your customers. Okay, guys. And then, so when you going to order?
Today we will try. Hopefully we can arrange by tomorrow. Today evening, we arrange today evening. Tomorrow inshallah.
Okay. I need this here. Take it. Okay, call you back. Just wait. Just don't answer. I call you back.